Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook Chinese chives pancakes. This recipe is so easy, and the pancake is not only nutritious but also delicious. Hope you all like it. So now let's start cooking. We first need to chop some chives. Add the chives into a large bowl. Add some flour. Mix well. Now add half teaspoon of salt. Crack 2 eggs. Mix again. It might seem dry in the beginning, but it doesn't matter. Soon the juice from the chives will come out, so there is no need to add water. When it becomes smooth like this, it is ready. Now prepare the pan and add some cooking oil to it. Use a spoon to carry the paste into the pan. Make sure it is flat and even. For the first side, we can fry for 1 minute. Then flip them over. For the second side, we just need to fry around 30 seconds because the oil temperature is higher. Now it is ready. According to Asian Chinese medical books, Chinese chives is a very good vegetable which is believed to be great for our liver health. This is today's cooking recipe. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys soon.